Various types of glycol are used in a number of different industries, from the production process as well as from different applications. A hazardous waste stream of used glycol ends up in nature, in our watercourses, lakes, rivers, and into the sea. The problem is that glycol is a unique product with no alternatives, and the demand is greater than the supply. Until now, the only safe way to dispose of used glycol has been destruction by incineration. But now there is a smarter solution. A new, unique, green Swedish innovation has completely changed the glycol market. It has made it possible to purify and concentrate the glycol to the point where it reaches its original quality and can be reused over and over again. Recyctec is raising glycol waste in the EU's waste hierarchy and completing the eco-circle. In winter, aircrafts need to be de-iced, and the product used is glycol. This means that chemicals end up on the ground, chemicals which must be handled. With Recyctec's method for recycling glycol, airports will be able to become nearly self-sufficient, since the glycol can be reused time and time again. In our society, glycol is used within a number of different segments, in refineries, cooling and heating systems, and for marine purposes. Unfortunately, glycol is in short supply, and demand will always be greater than available reserves. Glycol is also a non-renewable resource, meaning it will eventually run out. This is why the reuse of glycol is becoming increasingly important. Vehicles and their cooling systems are perhaps what we associate most with glycol. The auto repair shop is obliged to ensure that the used and dirty glycol is managed correctly. The automotive industry can actually impact today's glycol management by ensuring the quality of the handling process and using reused glycol. Recycling companies help us complete the eco-cycle. They collect used glycol and are among our key partners. They offer eco-friendly management of hazardous waste when they work with the entire chain from collection to recycling. We restore glycol to its original condition and sell it to chemical companies for further processing. Then they introduce the purified glycol into the market again, thereby completing the eco-cycle. Your role is important. What you do now will impact your children's future. Recyctec's unique cleaning method enables you to clean and reuse glycol as many times as you like.